Hey, hey, seriously.
What?
Did you hear that? What the heck? Hang on. Hang on, let me get a little bit of light.
What was that for real?
What the heck? I don't... hang on.
That didn't sound like deer.
No, I don't think that was deer. I don't think that...
Big, didn't it?
Oh, man, they were saying we got a whole bunch of bears running around.
What?
Yeah, bear. I forgot there's bear running around.
I know they hang out here. I didn't know there was that.
Oh, man.
Close to us? Huh?
What is... are those eyeballs?
Come on.
And the fire did roar.
Oh, it's roaring.
The fire. And welcome to another edition of Naked and Afraid. Are you naked, Dawn?
I am.
You are. I can almost see you.
Look, here's my hiding.
There you are. You're showing me your butt. Naked and Afraid. RVers Naked and Afraid. You ever watch that show? I know you do.
I watch it all the time.
Man. What I hate is, because I have, my feet are kind of sensitive. I'm a big guy, kind of a tough guy, but my feet are sensitive.
Yeah, you do have.
And I hate it when they show them, they're like stepping on big thorns and, they cut their feet. I hate that. I hate that. Yeah.
It's horrible. You feel it all night and we're not even there.
It's like I watched a guy on one Naked and Afraid, he sliced his hand with a machete, and I was like, yeah, I could deal with that. But, you know, on my foot, no.
You got to get a couple stitches and stuff.
But maybe when you're a big guy, your feet are really important because you weigh so much.
You think that's
yeah, like you want to keep your feet really nice. You never know. Hey, we're just having a campfire out here. I'm Bear.
And I'm Dawn.
I can't hear you probably.
I don't know. Can you hear me?
You got to yell or something.
I'm Dawn.
You're going to wake up the owls.
Well, there was just deer there.
That was a good echo. But yeah, we're just hanging out. Adventures in Xanadu, having a little campfire out here. In the middle of the Yukon. No. We're with Slim Potato Head up by the Arctic Circle.
Yeah.
We are. We're camping right next to Slim.
Yeah.
Right up at the Arctic Circle there.
I'll let you know that, but...
Yeah, we're not supposed to tell you. Oops.
Yeah, you didn't hear that from us.
Yeah. And then later we're going to go by the tiny purple house there.
Yes, we'll do that.
And say hi to Camperman Kevin.
Yep. Mango and Rosie's all up in
Yep. Yeah. So we're looking forward to that. It's going to be dog wars. Now they can probably see you're not naked. I don't know.
It. There'll be all kinds of dogs roaring.
Yeah.
Dogs talking, having conversations.
Anyway, we're just having some fun, hanging out. What else can you do? You know, late in September here in Michigan, we're kind of starting to get things ready to get them closed up. And Xanadu's still in the shop. 2 days, or no, I dropped, let's see, it's almost 3 days.
Yeah.
And here's what I love about this place so far. I'm going to hold off on a review, but I haven't gotten a call as far as like an update, like why it's been there for 2 days. So.
Well, we couldn't even find someone to help us.
Yeah, that's for another story. That's too long.
Yeah, that's a long one.
It was a nightmare just getting, like she said, just finding somebody to work on it.
In a small, like, seasonal, what do you call this town?
Yeah, seasonal town, sure. Just a tourist town.
Tourist town, that's the word I'm trying to think of right there. You got it.
It's a tourist town. There's the beautiful fire. Fire.
All right, that's all we need for now, man.
And my fire maker. Hi. You know, it's funny, sometimes you watch videos on YouTube and you're like, they didn't really do anything. I mean, what was going on in that video? And I thought, you know, I'm not going to do that. I'm always going to have a really important video.
You are?
Something that has a message, you know?
Oh, okay.
You know, like, you know, just do it.
You should do that.
You know, just do it.
Do it.
But now I'm thinking that I don't want to do that anymore. I just want to have silly videos.
You're very confusing, you know.
No, that's not true. I want to let everybody know about the repairs on Xanadu.
Yeah,
and the water pump deal. See what goes on. We'll see. Hopefully, I guess now it'll be at the shop through the weekend, because today, if you're watching this, I don't know when, but it's Friday for us.
They don't. They're closed Saturday and Sunday.
Right. So obviously now, so he'll have like a week.
Gonna get there. But hey, we did drive by and notice that it was in a different position. It was parked in a different area. So.
Yes, you're right.
So that was cool. Yeah.
Yep.
So,
we'll see.
Know.
It's pretty bad when you got to drive by a vehicle getting repaired and hope that the mechanics have moved it.
I think the whole thing was weird. Is we asked for an appointment, and they told us, what'd they say, Thursday?
Well, actually, you just said later in the week.
Okay.
And I was like, well, like what day later in the week? And he's like, oh, I don't know, Thursday. And then he decided Wednesday because it would have time to cool down. He thought it might overheat because that's what it's doing, leaking. But yeah. So anyway, it's been kind of a stressful week. Not so much for Dawn, but me. If you're a guy, and well, you probably are too. Anytime a vehicle goes in the shop, it gets you freaked out. Especially it's not our full-time home, but it's our home away from home. And you think about all your valuables and stuff in there, and you go, did they lock the door? Because how many times the mechanics, you figure it's sitting out on the lot, and it's kind of scary thinking if they didn't lock it,
Right.
But that's what insurance is for, I guess.
Well, they have all those buttons, and there's a lot of things.
But anyway.
Yeah, scary.
Don't know. We're just hoping everything gets done with that. But yeah, just hanging out, having a party, drinking a couple beers, and not talking about much. Just a day in the life. It's a day in the life, as they say, or just a fire in the life. Hey, watch some ashes on, man.
Right here.
That's dry.
It's really not that bad. Take your foot off and put your feet in the grass.
We do have a water source here with us, so not to worry. But I think we got that fire plenty big enough.
Oh, that's not fresh.
Oh yeah, that's like 50,000 BTU right there. I'll have a suntan tomorrow probably.
The sad thing is, you probably will.
I probably will.
Makes me mad. I can stay out in the sun for 3 hours. He can be out there for 20 minutes right next to me. Come in the house and he's got tan marks. I have nothing.
I'm delicate, man.
Oh, delicate. Oh, okay.
I'm a macho man who is delicate.
You're a ginger. It's your gingerness.
Yeah, it is my gingerness. You're right. Watch that fire, man.
I'm trying to...
Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it do.
I have this thing with fire pits.
Yeah, well, you need to slow down. It is dry, sweetheart. Anyway, I'm getting so hot, I'm going to have to go. My camera's probably... I'm serious. My camera's probably melting. Anyway, all right, well, just a little fire pit story time talk that had nothing to do with anything.
Absolutely nothing at all.
Right, but Seinfeld was on the air for 10 years, and it was a show about nothing. So
it was a show about nothing.
There you go.
We can do
nothing. I'm not saying we're anything like Seinfeld, trust me.
No.
I'm just saying once in a while you got to throw a curveball.
Although your hair does look like Kramer's in the morning.
Yeah, I can do Kramer hair. I can do Kramer hair, yeah.
Other than that, that's all you got.
All right, we're going to get out of here. Y'all have a good whenever you're watching this, and hopefully you can be at a campfire near you soon. And we hope you find your Xanadu. Toodaloo!
Toodaloo!